Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating PayPal error that says, this organization is currently ineligible to receive donations in 2025, don't worry, we're going to tackle this step by step. This error often pops up due to issues with your account verification, policy compliance, or even outdated information, but the good news is it's usually fixable with a few simple checks. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website or app and sign in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Business Information or Profile section. This is where you can verify that all your organization's details are up to date. Double-check things like your business name, address, and tax ID, as mismatches can trigger this error. Next, ensure your account is fully verified. PayPal requires businesses to complete identity verification, so if you haven't done that yet, upload the necessary documents like your ID or business registration. This step is crucial for receiving donations and might resolve the issue right away. If everything looks good there, review PayPal's policies on their Help Center. Sometimes, this error occurs if your organization doesn't meet certain eligibility criteria, like being a registered nonprofit or following anti-fraud guidelines. Make any needed adjustments to comply. If you're still stuck, it's time to contact PayPal support. Go to the Help section, submit a ticket, or chat with an agent. They can provide personalized advice based on your account. Be prepared to explain the error and share any relevant details. One more tip. While fixing this, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're all set, test a small donation to confirm it's working. There you have it. That's how to fix this PayPal error in 2025. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.